The Bavarian Ersatz Division was a division of the Imperial German Army in World War I. It was formed in August 1914 and dissolved on 6 October 1918. It was initially an all-Bavarian formation, but soon received several non-Bavarian units which served with the division until 1917. Combat narrative. The division first saw action in 1914 in the Battle of the Frontiers, including the battles before Nancy and Epinal. The division participated in the Race to the Sea, and then settled into trench line duty. The divisional commander, General der Infantry Eugen Ritter von Benzino, was killed in action on November 28, 1915. In 1916, the division entered into the Battle of Verdun and fought on the Somme in October. The division also was engaged in 1917 in the Second Battle of the Aisne, also called the Third Battle of Champagne and referred to in German sources as the Dual Battle of Aisne-Champagne. After a short spell in the trenches near Verdun, in the latter part of 1917, the division was sent to Flanders in response to the Allied offensive there. In October 1917, the division went to the Romanian front and then to Ukraine after the armistice in Romania. It returned to the Western Front in April 1918, occupying the line near Verdun and then Reims, and then engaged in mobile defense. It ended the war facing Allied forces in the Hundred Days Offensive. The division was rated as a third-class division by Allied intelligence. Formation and organization. On mobilization. On mobilization, the Bavarian Army formed 12 brigade replacement battalions by grouping companies taken from the replacement, or Ersatz, battalion of each infantry regiment. These battalions were then formed into 3 mixed brigades of 4 battalions each, together with Ersatz cavalry, artillery and engineer units, which were formed from the replacement detachments and companies of the cavalry and artillery regiments and the engineer battalions. The order of battle of the Bavarian Ersatz Division on mobilization was as follows: Cavalry Ersatzabteilung München I. Königlich Bayerisches Armeekorps Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 1. Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 42. Ersatz Company, Königlich Bayerisches 1. Pionierbataillon, Cavalry Ersatzabteilung Landau 2. Königlich Bayerisches Armeekorps Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 2. Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 12. Cavalry Ersatzabteilung Nuremberg 3. Königlich Bayerisches Armeekorps, Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 8. Königlich Bayerische Feldartillerie Ersatzabteilung Nummer 10. 1. Ersatz Company, Königlich Bayerisches 3. Pionierbataillon. Organizational changes and late war organization. The 5th Mixed Replacement Brigade was transferred to the 30th Reserve Division on August 17, 1914. The order of battle of the Bavarian Ersatz Division on September 15, 1914, was as follows: Bavarian Ersatz Division 1st Bavarian Ersatz Brigade 1st, 2nd, 3rd and AMP 4th Bavarian Brigade Ersatz Battalions Bavarian Reserve Infantry Regiment 4, Cavalry Ersatzabteilung Munich 1st and AMP 4th Bavarian Field Artillery Ersatzabteilung and 2nd Ersatzko. Bavarian Pioneer 1, 9th Bavarian Ersatz Brigade 9th, 10th, 11th and AMP 12th Bavarian Brigade Ersatz Battalions, 2. Cavalry Ersatzabteilung Nuremberg 8th and AMP 10th Bavarian Field Artillery Ersatzabteilung and 1st Ersatzko. Bavarian Pioneer 3, Bavarian Cavalry Ersatzabteilung Bavarian Field Artillery Ersatzabteilung and 1, 2 and AMP 3 7th Battery, Foot Artillery RGT. 13, 3rd Battery, Reserve Foot Artillery 13 2nd Bavarian Ersatz Pioneer Company. On October 3, 1914, the new Bavarian 3rd Reserve Brigade joined the division from the 30th Reserve Division. In addition, the 1st and 9th Mixed Replacement Brigades were redesignated as the 1st and 9th Replacement Brigades, and their cavalry, artillery and engineer units were moved to division level. 3 battalions from each brigade were reorganized into KGL, Bayer Ersatz Infantry Regiment No. 1 and KGL, Bayer Ersatz Infantry Regiment No. 3. Prior to November 20, these 2 regiments were transferred to Division von Rykowski, KGL. Bayer Ersatz Infantry Regiment No. 2 was formed from 2 battalions of the 5th Mixed Replacement Brigade as well as troops drawn from elsewhere in the Bavarian Army. It was attached to the Bavarian Ersatz Division. On November 22, 1914, the 59th Replacement Infantry Brigade, a non-Bavarian unit, was renamed the 59th Landwehr Infantry Brigade and attached to the Bavarian Ersatz Division. On December 10, 1914, the division consisted of Bavarian 3rd Reserve Infantry Brigade, Bavarian Reserve Infantry Regiment 4, Bavarian Reserve Infantry Regiment 15, Ersatz Infantry Regiment 28, Divisional Troops Cavalry Ersatz Abteilung and Desant 2 and AMP 3, Bavarian A.K. 1st Company, Reserve Pioneer Battalion 15. The organization of the division on April 7, 1918 was as follows: 3. KGL, Bayer Reserve Infantry Brigade, KGL, Bayer 4. Reserve Infantry Regiment, KGL, Bayer 15. Reserve Infantry Regiment, KGL, Bayer 18. Reserve Infantry Regiment, 1. Escadron, KGL, Bayer 6. Reserve Cavalry Regiment, KGL, Bayer Artillery Commander 19, KGL, Bayer Ersatzfeld Artillery Regiment Fuss Artillery Battalion No. 89, Stab KGL, Bayer 13, Pionier Battalion, KGL, Bayer 4, Landwehr Pionier Company, KGL, Bayer 6, Landwehr Pionier Company, KGL, Bayer 100, Minenwerfer Company, KGL, Bayer